Welcome to the One Speedlight Challenge. Can a loser like this guy create an amazing headshot of Paige with just one speedlight? Let's find out and also learn about the advantages of using speedlights for portraits. Let's get to it.
So as you can see, with just a single speedlight, a white umbrella, a couple of mat boards placed underneath the chin and to the back on each side, we were able to get great headshots. So why use speedlights over a studio strobe? One of the big advantages is cost. A Godox speedlight like this costs just under $180. Comes with a lithium battery, gives you over 650 full power flashes. It shoots in high-speed sync and TTL. We used it today in manual mode. You can also mix and match the Godox flashpoint flashes. So these little ones will work with my Studio MS300 Godox studio strobe. I can also mix ones with different camera mounts. This one is for Canon, this one is also for the Canon, and the one that we used for this shoot was a Sony hot shoe mount. But as long as we're using them as off-camera flashes, it doesn't matter, they all work together. So even though I was shooting with the Canon RP, I was able to use the Sony Speedlight. Another big advantage is the size. I can fit 4 of these speedlights in my camera backpack, along with my R5 and my Canon RP, 4 different lenses, light meters, cables, everything I need, batteries, all in one backpack. Compare that to trying to pack 4 big studio lights into a bag, lugging those up and down flights of stairs, narrow hallways, just the process of setting up and tearing down. It is so much quicker with speedlights. When you can get amazing results, why pack the bigger lights when you can go light? Another thing about the weight is safety concern. If I was trying to boom this up over a client to use as a hair light and it fell, well, there's a big lawsuit just waiting to happen. Speedlights are super lightweight as well. So I don't mind having these up above a client. If they fell, they're not going to hurt anybody. And this is coming from somebody who has dropped a light on somebody who happened to be the mayor of Phoenix. Yeah, that didn't go well. Luckily no lawsuit, but we never did photograph the mayor again. So the last advantage is also its probably biggest disadvantage, and that's power. So unless you're battling midday sun, these are going to work great. But if you are outdoors and you are trying to balance flash with midday sun, you're probably going to need at least the 8200, more likely the 8400 or 8600. But if you're shooting closer to sunrise or sunset or in the shade, these are going to give you enough power to get the job done. And it's a surprising amount of light. A lot of photographers, including myself, are now going to constant lights like these LED lights from Nanlite. This is a 300 watt unit. It's the FS300B, 300 watts of power. And yet this little speedlight has more power than this big bad boy here. So I think you'll understand why world famous photographers like Joe McNally use speedlights regularly on their on-location work. They're quick and easy to set up. You can't beat the cost, and they give amazing professional results. If you want to learn more kind of how I did light placements, metering, white balance, things like that, just leave comments below and we'll take an in-depth look about how I set up this single speedlight to get the results we did today. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing to the channel so you're notified the next time a video is released. Until next time, keep shooting.